Okay, so it is 10:02. While on spring break last week, a group of young San Diegans decided they are going to do something to help the people of Ukraine.
All right, so let's go to La Jolla and check in on the lemonade stand for Ukraine. There they are.
Have you had any customers since we last seen you?
Oh my goodness, you guys. So we are just blown away. The KUSI viewers have been so incredibly generous and kind. They have Venmo'd us hundreds of dollars in the past half an hour.
Wow.
Believe it or not. I know, isn't that wonderful and crazy, and makes you realize that people are just basically good.
Yeah.
And we've now exceeded our expectation of $1,000. So you guys helped us make our goals. So we are so grateful, and thank you guys from the bottom of our hearts.
That's what we do.
We're super excited. And the kids decided that they wanted to regroup, so we've now changed our goal to $2,000.
All right.
Wow,
So the sky's the limit.
Hey, we got an hour to get it done.
Yeah.
I love it. Well, and they can't miss you with the beautiful
power
Ukraine
of the medium.
colors. Yes. I want to talk to Fidgety
yeah.
McGee over there, who can't.
Oh, yes. Yes, Annie. Annie, they want to talk to you. Why don't you say good morning?
Good morning.
Look in the camera.
Good morning.
Hi, Annie.
Annie.
How excited you are that...
Yeah.
I'm really excited, and thank you. Oh, thank you, because you made us reach more than $1,000.
Oh,
Yeah.
Annie.
You made us reach 1,027, and you guys are the best. Thank you.
You guys are the best. Thank you. Why don't we have Annie interview one of the other kids? She can ask a question.
Okay, good idea.
Yeah.
Annie, do you want to ask anybody a question? You want to ask them something they learned, or Doctors Without Borders, or anything like that? Who do you want to ask?
You can be a reporter.
Why don't you ask Mary Grace or Matthew?
My Grace, what did you want? I learned that people in our neighborhood are actually very kind, and that KUSI is a big group of people, and they are the best station ever, and
Wow.
I'm very happy to see that we've made so much money, so we've raised our goal. So
Good. Let's keep it going. We're here to help.
Quick, we need to cut that clip to save for promotional uses.
Wow.
Who do we got up next? Oh, you got to flag down these cars.
Okay, here's Kennedy. She's one of Mary Grace's bestest friends in the world, and she found out about it, and she said she wanted to come and support. So what do you want to say for yourself, Kennedy?
I just wanted to say that I'm here because whenever I'm outside in the living room with my family, I'm always just seeing that every day on the news. It's just Russia is always attacking them and like destroying their buildings and killing a ton of people. So I'm here to try to help them. And it makes me like really sad to see all that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a
And
heartbreaker. So this is Ames over here. Ames brought some money of his own. He actually pulled it right out of his own piggy bank. Do you want to tell them how much you brought, Ames?
I brought $40.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Where'd you get $40 from?
He works hard.
Ah, wow. It's more than I have in my pocket. I got empty pockets.
It came out of my allowance that I got for my birthday in November.
Wow.
Wow.
And I wanted to bring it because I thought it was very sad that there were a ton of people dying and a ton of buildings in Ukraine were getting destroyed because of Russia's bombs.
Please tell him what a fine young gentleman
Yes,
he
he
is to
is.
give up his birthday allowance.
And there-
Ames, you're so awesome, they said. They wanted to say how great you are. And then Matthew had a lot of great ideas about what other kids can do, because as we said earlier, kids can make a difference.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, Matthew, do you want to tell them the things that other kids can do?
Well, they can make their own garage stand. They could donate to Doctors Without Borders. They could pray for peace. They could come to our lemonade stand, and they could Venmo to us. And yeah, they could do whatever they feel like to do that can make a difference.
Thank you
Yes,
so
definitely.
much. We really appreciate all of you, and we wish you continued luck at the lemonade stand. You're going to run out of lemons.
Are we going to check with him again later this hour?
Oh, there's more where that came from. They're right from our backyard.
Perfect.
And really, 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 thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts for all your wonderful viewers.
Yes.
We're so taken away with their kindness and generosity. Have a great day.
Our viewers never cease to amaze us. Thank you, everybody.
We
for
will
sure.
check back in
I
with
know.
you guys later.
Wonderful
Okay.
viewers.
We'll see you in a little bit.
All right, thank you. Have a great day.
Bye.
Okay, thank you.
All right, all you Venmoers, let's go.
Wow. People are so kind. They can
Just
be.
little bits.
Yeah.
Little bits. All adds up. All right, the San Diego Sockers are